Second part of number 1 here, I need to complete a square. This one's a little bit more complicated than the other one because it's got a -3 up front of the x squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of take care of that. I'm going to write -3 times x squared. And now I put all the x terms in this set of parentheses here. So I want to know, what do I put in to go for that? Well, I have to put a plus 6x in, and I can do that by looking at it backwards here. When I multiply the 6 and 6x by the 3, or the -3, I get this -18 here out. So now I leave a gap, close my parentheses, and then I write my -13. So this line is exactly the same as the line above, or numerically it's exactly the same. So now what I need to do is complete the square on the 6x, divide by 2 and square. I get plus 9, because it's 3 squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3, squared is 9. Now, I added 9 here, but I didn't really add 9 to the equation. I have a -3 that's being multiplied by the 9. So what I really did was I added -3 times 9, which is -27. So what I did was I took this guy and I subtracted 27 from it by adding the 9. So I need to rebalance it, since I'm saying that they're equal right here, and add 27 back in. From here, I just factor -3 times x plus 3 squared, and then I collect these two terms. That gives me a plus 14. So now I can go ahead, it's in a graphable form at this point. So I'm going to go like this. My vertex is at -3, positive 14. So that means it's back a little bit and then up a little bit. So I'm going to go and put a point right here. Actually, maybe I'll change colors. So I'm going to put a point right here. That thing's coordinate, as I said over there, was -3, 14. Oh gosh. 1, 4. There we go. From there, I build the base parabola points out. So remember, I got 1, 1 points, 2, 4 points, but be multiplied by a -3. So my 1, 1 points go over 1 down 3 each. So I'm going to put a dot here and here. First one, over 1 from the -3 is -2, drop 3, I get 11. This one is -4, 11. Then I get my 2 4 points. Well, the 4 gets tripled and made negative, so it goes down 12. So I go 2 down 12, which puts me at -1, drop 12 from 14. I get to 2. And then this guy here, same height, just over to the left. So that is -5, 1. And then I simply go ahead and draw it in like this, and I'm done. I got all 5 points.